Want to remove background with AI in just a few clicks? No Photoshop and no skills needed. It's 100% free. Stay with me and I will show you in seconds. Alright friends, I've brought you 3 websites that can remove the background from your photos. The image I've chosen, as you can see, features a subject with curly hair and a very busy background, making background removal quite challenging for this photo. So let's check out the first background removal website together. The first website you're seeing is pixelcut.ai. I will put the link to this website in the description so you can check it out. Down here in the blue section you see, you can click on it, go to your downloads or photo gallery, select your desired image and upload it to the website to remove its background. The second way to upload your image is by simply dragging and dropping it onto the website. The website will then start analyzing the image and automatically remove the background for you. As you can see, it has completely removed the background. The subject had curly hair and the background was very busy, something that would be quite difficult to remove in software like Photoshop. Now I'm showing you the cutout against different background colors. And you can see how cleanly and precisely it has separated the subject from the background. Finally, in the download section, you can save your image without a background. The second website is photoroom.com, and I will also put its link in the description for you. Just like before, you can click on this blue section and select your desired image. The website will then start analyzing it and remove the background. As you can see, it did a very clean and precise job for removing the background. And in the download section, you can save your edited image. The third website I've chosen for you is removal.ai, and I will also share its link in the description. Similarly, you can either drag and drop your image into this section to remove the background or click on the blue area to select your photo. You can see how easily it removed the background. And from the download section, you can save your image and use it however you like. So these were the 3 background removal websites I introduced, and you will find all the links in the description. On our channel bestaphic, you can find tutorials on AI tools as well as PowerPoint lessons that cover everything from beginner to advanced levels. We have organized the PowerPoint animations and tutorials into separate playlists you can easily access and use them in your work. We also have a playlist called Infographic Resume where you can learn how to design your own resume in an infographic style and use it professionally. Additionally, we have an AI tools playlist, and I have included the link to our AI tutorials in the description. Click on it to watch and learn. See you in the next videos. Take care.